Hey there, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming laptops with a spotlight on the Lenovo Legion 9i Gen 8. Let's see if this powerhouse lives up to the hype. Lenovo's Legion 9i Gen 8 is making waves in the gaming laptop arena, boasting top-tier performance and a slew of premium features. From its cutting-edge specs to its sleek design, there's a lot to unpack here. First off, let's talk about design. The Legion 9i Gen 8 is a real head-turner, featuring a carbon fiber lid and a magnesium chassis that's both lightweight and durable. Plus, those LED light bars? Stunning. Though, I must admit, they can be a bit overwhelming at times. Now, when it comes to connectivity, Lenovo doesn't disappoint. With a plethora of ports including Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-C, and HDMI, you'll have no trouble hooking up all your favorite peripherals. One of my favorite features of the Legion 9i Gen 8 is its forward-mounted keyboard. With ample key travel and per-key backlighting control, typing on this laptop is an absolute dream. However, the touchpad, while functional, could be a tad larger for some users' preferences. Now, let's talk about that display. The Legion 9i Gen 8 sports a stunning 16-inch mini LED screen with a resolution of 3200 x 2000. With a peak brightness of 1200 nits and vibrant colors, gaming and multimedia consumption have never looked better. Under the hood, this laptop packs a serious punch. With an Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, and 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. The Legion 9i Gen 8 can handle even the most demanding games and tasks with ease. In our gaming benchmarks, the Legion 9i Gen 8 blew us away with its performance. Whether you're playing Cyberpunk 2077 or Shadow of the Tomb Raider, this laptop delivers buttery smooth frame rates and jaw-dropping visuals. But wait, there's more. Lenovo has equipped the Legion 9i Gen 8 with integrated liquid cooling, ensuring optimal performance even during intense gaming sessions. Plus, the included Nihimic app allows for audio customization, taking your gaming experience to the next level. So, what's the verdict? With its exceptional performance, stunning display, and premium build quality, it's a true powerhouse for gamers and content creators alike. Sure, it comes with a hefty price tag, but for those who demand the best, it's worth every penny. That wraps up our review of the Lenovo Legion 9i Gen 8. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!